Achoo. 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 Achoo.
You know, almost the main feature of this room.
Achoo. Achoo. His teeth are gone. Where is your
Jenny's got
teeth?
no time to return to the linen store
Achoo.
where she bought the bedding.
Achoo.
So she throws herself on the mercy of a nearby homeware store.